Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what do snowflakes do in ability wars. So basically, first thing you must know is how to obtain them. So this is their Wikipedia basically, and punching another player will get you a snowflake, and snowstorms will get you to 1 to 16. Natural spawning around the map, will get you, and the snowflake monsoon will do the same. So in the Christmas shop, basically the abilities is basically accessible there. So here you will get the gingerbread for 2,500 snowflakes, festive for 5,000 and crafter for 7,500. So you can also get other items such as the firework engine for 500 snowflakes and coal for 10 snowflakes. So basically this is currency. A snowflake is a currency that is exclusive this Christmas time around. So there you go. And basically that's what it is. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.